So, I'm Joblin Santos Bagus. I have a curving in my right hand. See this one, lagi kong pinapost, curving in my right hand. A mole, my right hand, stresses in my teeth, hair is shaved with a little bit of her wide eyebrow, long eyelashes, shy experiment, dimples in my left and right cheek, brown complexion. I wear eyeglasses, sometimes for astigmatism, sometimes I do not wear glasses. I don't have any tattoo in my body. I have number 7 at the back of my head. It is a hair natin tattoo. Yan na, number 7. At the back of my head, it is a hair natin tattoo. So, I live here at Barangay 22, Song 2, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador Funeral City, Caloocan, you will just go down front of TJ Bagus Furniture Shower, Big Green Gate, Bagus Compound. My motorbike is on the way, 110 blue blacker first, but my favorite color is called blue, right later to shoot 75 to show. Now it's a 26 NCL. So, my IG name, J_Santos Bagus, Tensor 781, all small letters, and then my password, J_Santos Bagus, Tensor 781, all small letters. ID name J_Santos Bagus, Tensor 781, first starting big, the rest small letters. ID username, all small letters. J_Santos Bagus, Tensor 781, all small letters. And then my password, Joblin Santos Bagus, Tensor 781. First starting big, the rest small letters. 424 following, and nako-connect a plus Q916735550. I don't have a WhatsApp, I don't have a TikTok, I don't have a Viber, I don't have a Twitch. So, wala akong live sa FB or IG. That's why I'm making videos lang. So, nakita nyo to. I'm creating a model because of the ionization projects to decrease tornado. When the increase, nakita mo yan. When the increased pressure in the sea that will create the build-up because of the polarization that has been happening around the pressure in the sea na ng atmospheric pressure pataas na nagke-create ng positive and negative charge doon sa build up ng tornado. So, paano siya madedecrease yung tornado impact? So, yung ionization na nangyayari, nagiging polarized when it comes to tornado impact. Mas lumalaki because of the polarized. So, ang gagawin mo to decrease yun is magde-depolarize ka. So, yun yung technology na ginagawa ko. Depolarization process during dun sa increased build-up ng tornado, nagagamitin yon to decrease the power of tornado, na manghihina siya during the impact of tornado. So, malilesen at hindi na siya babalik or mag-swirl or lalakas yung build up because madedepolarize mo na siya sa area na paglalagyan mo ng depolarization process. Or madide-ionize siya. Yung na-build up na ionization at nag-polarize sa loob ng tornado, yun yung madedepolarize because of the technology present. I-on mo siya every time may tornado build up, na yun ang magde-decrease sa power ng tornado. Because madede-ionize siya. Kaya ang hirap noon, every tornado, i-on mo siya sa mga poste. Para kung saang area yon magraran doon, hihina, magwi-weak, mapupull down niya yung mga polarized na present dun sa tornado at yung impact niya is hihina. So, I'm Joblin Santos Bagus, 44 years old, so yon. So, matatry mo na siya sa water. Yung sa water impact na sobrang lakas nung ganonin mo, madedepolarize siya na hindi siya mag-impact ng ganon.